Hi friends, this is Tilaka. You're watching Tech Me Unique, and today we're just going to see about a super amazing secret Instagram emoji game trick and like this. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So first of all, you just need to click on your homepage and just message anyone. Just click on any profile and just click on the message option. Just click on any emojis. Just send any emojis to the person. After sending the emoji, you just need to tap on the emoji, just a single tap. So this will activate the gameplay mode on the Instagram. So now you can just play the emoji game. It's actually super. You can just have a score between you and the messaging person, the profile person. So you can just play, just challenge the game by using a maximum highest point, and it also shows like a 1 hit or 2 hit or 3 hit like that. It also shows the high score on the top. So your friend or any person, you just tap and you can play the game like this, and you can just show the high score on the top in this option. It's a super game. Just try this secret thing on the Instagram. I think this video helped you out. Like this video and subscribe this channel for more videos like this.